All right, for this video, I'm going to show you how to access assignments, and if you want to use them on a Google Doc, a Microsoft Word, or if you're a person who likes to print them out and, you know, actually write on it and then take a picture of it and submit it, you can do that as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through the lesson, and at the last page is the details of the assignment. So you're going to click on that. When I scroll down, I have option to print and the option to save. Okay, so if I click print, I am not connected um, to a printer. All right, but if you were, you would just go find your um, printer there and then hit print. All right. And let's see, you used to be able to save it to your Google Drive. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it's letting you do that anymore. All right. Um, and then another way is to go to save, and then you're going to click on that. And eventually, in a couple years, okay, all right, here you go. Then you have your document in a Microsoft Word. All right. Um, so you can type on it right here and make sure you save because it's a Word document. All right. If you want to print it, you can go to File and then Print. Again, I'm not hooked up to any printer, so it's not going to show anything. All right. And let's see. And again, new to this semester, if I go actually to the submission page, so I was in the lesson, the blank page, now I'm going to the submission page for 2.03, and they have it here for you as well. All right, so you can click this link here. It's going to force you to make a copy of the document. Click Make a Copy. Don't know why my computer's taking so long here. All right, and then here you have your own copy of the assignment that you can type in, or if you prefer to print, go to File and then scroll down to where it says Print and select your printer. Again, I am not connected to a printer, so it's not going to show anything for me. So you can do your assignments electronically right on here and submit them. Again, if you'd rather print them out, you can go to File and go to Print.